Today, I'll walk you through how to record a sales invoice in Xero and understand its impact on accounts, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage your sales invoices so you can keep your financial records accurate and up to date. Let's dive right in. First, sign in to your Xero account. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Xero frequently updates its interface to enhance user experience, but the core functionality remains the same. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top menu, click on Sales and then select Invoices. This is your gateway to managing all your sales transactions. Think of it as your digital filing cabinet for sales documents. Next, click on New Invoice to create a new sales invoice. This is where the magic happens. Choose a customer from your list or add a new one if needed and enter the invoice details. It's like filling out a digital receipt for your client. Now add a product or service to the invoice. Enter the quantity and price. Imagine you're at a checkout counter, scanning items and entering prices. This step ensures that all the necessary details are captured accurately. Take a moment to review the invoice information. Double-check everything. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Once you're satisfied, click Approve. This action records the invoice in Xero, making it an official part of your sales records. After approval, the invoice doesn't just sit there. It actively updates your accounts receivable and financial reports. It's like a ripple effect in a pond. One action impacts multiple areas of your financial landscape. And there you have it. That's how to record a sales invoice in Xero and understand its impact on accounts. This process not only keeps your sales records organized, but also ensures your financial reports reflect the most current data. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.